The defendant is one of two suspects allegedly involved in an attempted robbery at a Boost Mobile store, but he was the only one apprehended.
The officers were advised that two suspects were trying to rob the store, one with a handgun and in a wheelchair. The officer observed the male matching the description inside the business, and the defendant turned as if he was going to leave. The officer asked the defendant if he had any weapons on him, and the defendant stated he did not have any weapons and that he was confused as to what was going on. The defendant agreed to the officer patting him down for weapons and immediately began reaching into his pockets, claiming he was going to retrieve his wallet. The officer observed the defendant to have an unholstered black handgun on the right side waistband tucked between his shorts, and the defendant claimed the handgun was his sister's, was borrowed for safety, and the holster was in his sister's car.
So you said they were robbing the place, and
He was reported to be involved in a robbery, and that's what the officer was.
they charged?
They charged him with, no, just the possession of PCS and then the unlawful carry.
As it stands now, you're on felony probation. You've now picked up a case with us, and you have a felony possession case. Don't pick up any new cases. Don't be a danger to my community, Mr. Garcia, because I'm going to tell you now, I'm going to protect
I was buying a phone.